I've dived deep into some of the most successful people on the planet, and of all of Elon Musk's interviews and podcasts, I have been able to uncover 6 overarching themes that he uses to structure his day. And what you're about to learn will finally help you work out for yourself just how these tips can help you live your best life. And the last one, if you're anything like me, will probably surprise you. Number 1, waking up early. He has said, I think it's important to get up in the morning and to do something. It's important to have a reason for being. Now, he has told people in other interviews that he finds it difficult to get up in the morning. He gets up early, at 5 a.m. many times. Elon's habit of waking up early is based on his belief that having a purposeful start to the day can set the tone for productivity and achievement. He's able to get a head start on the day and help him accomplish more, giving him a sense of purpose and accomplishment. I believe that the beginning of the day is when your best work is done. Remember the book, The One Thing, by Gary Keller, where he talks about the first 4 hours of the day. When your willpower is at its best, that's the time to be most productive. Number 2, he'll talk about physical fitness. I feel way more optimistic when I get regular exercise, he told a Rolling Stone interview. So Musk's focus on physical fitness is an important aspect to his success. I remember in an interview with Joe Rogan, he talked about going on bicycle rides, lifting weights and running. So he does recognise the importance of regular exercise and how it not only benefits your physical health, but also, and perhaps more importantly, your mental well-being. It helps him stay alert and energetic throughout the day, enabling him to tackle those challenges with greater focus and clarity. Number 3, taking breaks. If you're being this intense about your work, it's important to have a good work-life balance. Elon says in a Business Insider interview, it's important to have a good balance of work-life and make sure you're not just working yourself into oblivion. Taking breaks is a crucial component of Musk's approach to success. He believes that it's essential to find a balance between work and personal life so as to not to overwork oneself. And taking breaks and engaging in activities outside of work, you're able to recharge, and he's able to maintain that energy and that fresh perspective, which helps him stay productive and innovative. 4, thirst for knowledge. In a CBS morning interview, he says, I read books, I learn, I ask questions. So Musk's thirst for knowledge is another crucial aspect for his success. He reads so much. He's constantly seeking out new information and insights that can help him in his work. His ongoing pursuit of knowledge that enables him to stay ahead of the curve and to make innovative contributions to the fields in which he operates. And boy, has he made a contribution to the fields in which he operates. Number 4, hands-on learning. He actually will spend time on the design process, on the engineering process. He once told a Bloomberg interview, that's probably 80% of my time. He spends a significant amount of time personally overseeing and contributing to the development of their products. And this approach allows him to stay close to the details and gain a deep understanding of the challenges and opportunities which the companies face. Number 5, a work-life balance. It's not a matter of time, it's a matter of achieving your goals. If you achieve your goals in a shorter time span, you should. He said this in a TED interview. This is a key aspect. If you can achieve more in less time, time does not equate necessarily to success. So using that time well and trying to achieve more is huge. Musk's focus on having a work-life balance is an essential part of his success. He recognised that this time is a finite source and therefore it's essential to make the most of it, focusing on achieving one's goals and on balancing work and other aspects of life to bring meaning and fulfillment. And lastly, and perhaps most surprisingly, he talks about consciously making time for his family and kids. Consciously, so many entrepreneurs just focus so much, they're obsessive on their work that they forget about their family. He said in a CBS morning interview, "I'm able to be with my kids and still able to be on top of things." He once gave an interview with AutoBuild and he stated, "It's important to have a good balance of work and family. Family is important, and it's important to have a lot of time with your children." He has also discussed his desire to spend more time with his kids in the future. He gave a Rolling Stone interview where he said, "I think it's important to have more time than we currently do to spend with our family and friends." Musk is known to incorporate his children into his work life as well. He'll bring them to the SpaceX launches and allow them to test out his company's products. So this not only allows him to spend time with his children, but it allows him to help instill in them a sense of curiosity and a passion for learning. Musk's dedication to spending time with his family serves as a reminder that success is not just about achieving personal goals, but it's also about finding fulfillment in personal relationships and experiences. By prioritizing time with loved ones, individuals can achieve a more balanced and fulfilling life. Based on all of the above, on Elon's daily routine and his daily habits, we can surmise certain things and we can learn from him. But first, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're always up to date on the freshest content. So in summary, Elon Musk's habits and approach to success offer valuable lessons for anyone who's looking to achieve their goals and make a significant impact in the world. Musk's emphasis on physical fitness, personal growth, and a healthy work-life balance highlights the importance of taking care of yourself in order to maintain energy and focus. His irresistible thirst for knowledge and willingness to challenge assumptions, to not take everything on its face value, emphasize the importance of constantly learning and innovating. So, by balancing hard work and self-care, and by prioritizing personal growth and meaningful relationships, Musk is able to achieve great success while also inspiring others, certainly inspiring me, to pursue my own goals and aspirations. Overall and in conclusion, Musk's habits offer a blueprint for achieving success that is both sustainable and fulfilling, and can serve as a valuable guide for anyone looking to make a positive impact in their own life and in the world around them. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Patrick. Make sure to check out patrickconlon.tv and comment below. Have you learned anything from Musk's habits? Do you feel there's anything you can implement in your own life? And I'll catch you again. Bye-bye.